In today's fast-paced world, more people than ever are looking for small business ideas they can start with minimal resources and flexible hours. Whether you're looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind or simply build a side hustle that can grow into something bigger, there are countless opportunities waiting for those willing to take the first step. One of the most exciting areas right now is AI content services. With powerful tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and video generators such as Pictory, you can offer writing, graphic design, or video content to clients across the globe. The best part? You don't need to be a professional writer or editor. These tools do most of the heavy lifting. What you do need is a creative eye and a willingness to learn. Many freelancers are already making a steady income by offering niche services like YouTube scriptwriting, blog posts, or social media captions through platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Another popular and profitable small business idea is launching a subscription box service. People love the thrill of receiving curated packages in the mail, and there's a subscription box for almost every interest, from skincare and gourmet snacks to eco-friendly products and pet toys. You can start by sourcing products from small brands or wholesale suppliers, and platforms like Cratejoy make it easier than ever to reach a built-in audience of eager buyers. Digital products are also booming. If you have expertise in a subject or a knack for design, you can create ebooks, templates, printables, or even online courses. These products require effort up front, but once created, they can generate passive income over time. You don't need a huge following to get started. Sites like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify are great platforms to sell your digital goods, especially if you solve a specific problem or serve a niche audience. For those who prefer working offline and enjoy more hands-on work, local home services present a great opportunity. Services like lawn care, pressure washing, or even simple furniture assembly are in constant demand. People are busy and willing to pay for convenience, especially when they trust local providers. These businesses are relatively inexpensive to start and can grow quickly through word of mouth, Facebook groups, and Google My Business listings. Finally, there's a business model that combines sustainability with creativity, reselling and thrift flipping. By finding hidden gems at thrift stores, garage sales, or retail clearance racks, you can turn around and resell them online for a profit. Platforms like eBay, Poshmark, and Depop make it easy to reach a large customer base, and with some practice, you'll get good at spotting valuable items. This is a fun and flexible way to earn income, especially if you enjoy shopping and have an eye for trends. Starting a small business doesn't have to be expensive or overwhelming. Whether you're diving into the digital world, offering a local service, or turning a hobby into a hustle, there are real opportunities to build something of your own in 2025. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and be open to learning as you go. So, which path are you most excited to explore?